Dramatic orchestral swell builds. The beauty industry, a battlefield of promises. They say these change your life. Let's see if they survive me. First up, the legendary Merit Serum. Liquid gold, or just fool's gold. Immediate absorption, a perfect canvas. Is this a win? Next, the Miracle Mask, promising salvation, delivering what? Warning, high-risk maneuver. This is where things get fiery. Analysis complete, a certified game changer. Pure perfection unlocked. Utter system failure. This one's an epic fail. Debunked. The Glow Filter Serum. A digital illusion, or real-life magic. Shocking wins and epic fails. Watch till end. The truth is here. The definitive ranking is in. Shop the winners, avoid the fakes. From the labs of viral whispers to the unforgiving spotlight of truth. They promise life-changing transformations, but can they survive my Ultimate Truth Serum challenge? First up, the Liquid Gold Elixir, Merit Beauty's viral serum. Supposedly, instant luminosity. Applied with precision. Will this serum truly ignite a flawless radiance or just fade away? Next, the Ultra Miracle Mask, whispered to defy gravity, erase years in mere minutes. The application begins. Is this truly a skin rebirth? Or just another empty promise crumbling to dust? Now, the infamous burning exfoliant. They warn it's intense. Is it effective? Or just pure pain? The moment of truth. A searing test. Will this chemical agent transform or utterly destroy the skin? The Merit Serum delivers. A triumph of texture, a symphony of glow. This is a game changer. The burning exfoliant. A fiery disaster. Not purification, but sheer epidermal chaos. Some products soared. Others crashed and burned. The primer. A solid win. The glow filter. A patchy mess. Shocking wins and epic fails. The truth has been unveiled. This is your definitive guide. In a world obsessed with perfection, the truth is about to explode. They say these change your life. Let's see if they survive me. First, the mythical liquid gold. Promises of instant radiance. Let's see if this glow is more than just marketing smoke. Next, the Ultra Miracle Mask, whispered to defy age or ignite chaos. Okay, a slight tingle. Or is that just the myth taking hold? This isn't just a tingle. It burns like hell. But amidst the inferno, a beacon of true beauty emerges. Shocking wins and epic fails. You need to watch till the very end to believe it. The ultimate verdict is in. Unlock your flawless truth. Silence. Triumphant musical flourish. The gauntlet has been thrown. 5 viral titans, face to face with ultimate scrutiny. First contender. The Liquid Gold Serum. Promises of instant hydration. Let's initiate the protocol. Immediate absorption. The skin. It's responding with undeniable radiance. Next, the Miracle Mask. Whispers of transformation or disaster. Deploying now. Tension builds. Then, a startling revelation. Unveiling the truth. The Canvas Prep. A primer, legendary for its blurring capabilities. Engaging targets. Flawless fusion. The skin, transformed into a digital masterpiece. Mission accomplished. Warning. Extreme exfoliation. This is where the challenge gets fiery. Proceed with caution. Immediate impact. A searing sensation, registering as pure fire. Code red. Final test. The ultimate glow filter. Can it truly activate luminescence across the spectrum? Unbelievable. Pure. Unadulterated radiance. Glow activated. Mission accomplished. From liquid gold to fiery trials, these products delivered the unexpected. Analysis in progress. The moment of truth arrives. Will these viral sensations ignite radiance? Or just ignite a burning question? First, the Merit Beauty Serum. Claim. Instant glow. Reality. A flawless, ethereal shimmer. Then, the Miracle Mask from Ulta. Claim. Youthful rebirth. Reality. A patchy, unsettling disaster. The Hyped Primer promised perfection. But under scrutiny, it's just a mediocre illusion. This burning, exfoliant. Claim. Skin renewal. Reality. A fiery chemical attack. Finally, the Glow Filter Serum. Claim. Unfiltered radiance. Reality. A breathtaking, verified success. The fakes, the fails, the outright dangerous. These myths, busted. But some truly delivered. Validated. Verified. Unforgettable. Beyond the hype, the data doesn't lie. Claim versus reality. The stark truth revealed. Shocking wins, epic fails. The battlefield of beauty stands scarred. What will be crowned champion? The ultimate judgment approaches. Every viral claim, every beauty secret, now faces its final, brutal test. First contender. The Merit Beauty Serum. Did it achieve flawless victory? Or crumble under pressure? Next. The controversial Miracle Mask. Did it deliver on its impossible promise? Or was it an epic illusion? The Hyped Primer. Blur perfection, or patchy disaster? The truth. Exposed. The burning exfoliant. Did it burn its way to glory? Or just leave behind a trail of fiery pain? Finally, the Glow Filter Serum. Did it unlock ultimate radiance? Or was it just another fading light? Now, my unfiltered truth. Prepare for impact. The verdict is in. We saw shocking wins, moments of pure skin alchemy, transforming the game. And some epic fails that made me question everything. Brutal honesty, no filters. The final judgment has been cast. Watch till the very end for the ultimate, undisputed ranking. The definitive verdict, revealed. This is where myths are busted and legends are born. Only one reigns supreme. The truth is undeniable. Witness the ultimate beauty showdown victor.